In this video, I'll show you guys how to read a pay stub. I'll also show you how understanding your pay stub can protect your money. There are roughly 9 important places on the check stub that we're going to cover. The first one is your pay period. The pay period is the time period in which you get paid. Your pay period and pay date. This shows the dates you worked and when you were paid. Second thing we're going to cover is employee information. It's where your employee name is. This is your personal details and your job information. And if you can see, your employee name, your employee ID, your job title, your pay rate, and your payment frequency. The third thing we'll cover is your earnings. Now, your earnings is a breakdown of your pay. This includes your regular pay, your overtime, your bonuses, and your year-to-date or YTD totals. The fourth thing to understand on your pay stub is your deductions. This is a list of all of the taxes you paid, the benefits, and other amounts that are taken out of your paycheck. So number 3, your earnings is what is given to you as far as pay. Number 4 is the deductions, the things that are taken out of your check before you get paid. Number 5 is going to cover your gross pay. The gross pay is your total earnings before any deduction or any taxes is taken out. Number 6 is total deductions. This is the total amount that is taken out of your gross pay. Number 7 is your net pay. Your net pay is what you take home after you pay all of your deductions. And then number 8 is your YTD or year-to-date net pay. This is your total take-home pay so far this year. So from the moment you started this year to the present time, this is your year-to-date net pay. And the last thing, number 9, is your payment information. This is how and where you were paid. So it shows your employer, their address, name, address, and information. Then it shows your payment method, which most people get direct deposit. Some people get a physical check, but most people get direct deposit. And it shows your bank information and the account number that your paycheck goes into at your bank. And some important notes to cover: that this is not a legal document and you should keep this for your records. So this is an example of a pay stub. This is not a real pay stub. It's just an example that I came up with to show you guys how to read a pay stub. Leave me a comment if you have any suggestions as far as this video goes. If you have any questions about things in the video, if you have any ideas of things like this that you want me to cover, leave me a comment and let me know if you want me to cover something else. That's all I have for now. Thank you for watching.